Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning on a Canon Pixma MG2950. Now this is quite simple, can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons on the front. Now, there are two different kinds of cleans, there's cleaning and deep cleaning. The cleaning just forces fresh ink into the printhead and hopefully improves print quality. The deep cleaning uses more ink, takes a little bit longer, but flushes more ink through and is like a more effective clean. I'd recommend saving the deep cleaning for if you've tried a normal clean and it hasn't quite worked for you. So, to do a standard clean, we are just going to hold this button down, which is the stop button, until this alert lamp here flashes twice. So we just do that now. 1, 2, release. Now, it'll take your printer a few minutes, it'll chug and whir, and you'll be able to tell when it's done after this on light here stops flashing. That'll take us a few seconds now. If you were looking at doing deep cleaning, it's exactly the same process, but all we do is hold down the stop button until that lamp flashes 3 times. And that's the only real difference. After your clean is completed and that lamp's solid, like that is now, I would recommend doing a nozzle check test page from the printer, which we have a separate video on how to do on our channel, which you produced something like that in just a few seconds. But I hope this has been useful for you. If it has been, if you could take a second to chuck us a like, that'd be great. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.